YouTube, what's going on? What's the real deal Holyfield? This is Sunday night. My daughter just took out a protective style that she's had in maybe about a month, maybe a little more. And I told her she absolutely needs to do a bentonite clay mask. We're going to keep it short, simple, sweet. So, I got some bentonite clay, of course. I got the lid off already. You know, you got to play with your measurements. So I'm doing like maybe a quarter of a cup. That's what this little thingamajig is, about a quarter of a cup. I believe you can see that right there. Now, in this cup though, I just did water, a couple of shakes of cinnamon because of the smell. Everybody hates the smell of, well, not everybody, but everybody can't tolerate the smell of vinegar. So I did plain water. I did 1 hibiscus tea bag, which you see in the back, and I also did a couple of shakes of cinnamon. It's supposed to also be good for cleansing. And with bentonite clay, my understanding is you're not supposed to use metal. So I got all plastic here. So I'm going to just go ahead and pour that in. Some people use just water. Some people use a little bit of vinegar. I'm one of the vinegar people. So I'm going to just get rid of this here tea bag. That water's warm. I just, put it in the microwave by itself. That's red from the hibiscus and cinnamon. Unfortunately, I need to make a grocery store run. I only got a little bit of apple cider vinegar. I'm sad about that, but whatever. Anyway, like I said, it's Sunday night. We got to get to grinding. It's going to be real quick. So I'm going to just pour the rest of that in there. You see exactly how much that is here in just a few moments. Aldi's, y'all. Get your stuff from Aldi's. It's not that expensive if you got one around. What's that showing? Not quite half a cup. Works for me. Pour it in there. Now, for a little extra moisture, I have organic aloe vera powder, and I got a little bit of Sukesh Ayurveda for strength. Oh, and this is my homemade oil. I did a video on that already. I'm going to have my daughter to help me record. Take this phone, please. And super simple. Nothing major. That's the organic aloe vera. I got a teaspoon measurer here, and I'm just going to put a teaspoon in it. Hefty teaspoon, I guess you could say. Drop that in there. Put this to the side. I already put a little honey in as well. I put a little honey in also for smell and because it's a natural humectant. Now, I'm also just going to put a teaspoon of the Sukesh Ayurveda. Can I say it right? Probably not. But in any event, still a teaspoon. Drop it in. These herbs I just happen to get from hennasook.com. I know a lot of you have probably heard of hennasook. Very high quality herbs. Just for mention, just so if you wonder what it is, it's got cassia in it. It's got amla. It's got aloe. It's got tulsi, bingara, shikakai, cleansing herbs, moisturizing herbs, strengthening herbs, all of that good stuff. So we just want to get that in there for her. And I'm just going to mix it up. I do have a submerging blender, which would probably make this process a little easier. Make sure your water is warm to hot. It'll be easier to, mesh and all of that good stuff. And what I'm going to do is also just put a couple of squirts of the oil I made. Just a little bit of that. Gonna mix that up. She's not quite ready to go and apply it, which she will do in the shower to prevent tearing up my house. And in any event, it's already looking smooth and creamy. We're working on it. Now I'm gonna let this sit up for a little while for her. I'll probably put it in a double boiler so that it can continue to get warm, stay warm rather, until she's ready. But in my opinion, a looser consistency is easier to apply and to rinse out, right? And then you may want to follow up with a shampoo, a moisturizing one, or a co-wash so that you get that extra moisture. But you want that bentonite clay to get all of that foolishness up off your scalp. Get it clean, get it reset for the week, you know, or for your next protective style, whatever you're doing. So I just wanted to come on real quick and show y'all how you mix up a quick bentonite clay mask. Not sure just yet what we're going to put it in. I think we'll just take an old shampoo bottle, rinse it out, put it in there for easy application. And it's quick. You know, you put it on your scalp before you hop in the shower. You can do it that way, or you can get in the shower and apply it. Either or. Get that mixed up. Look at this. But it look good though. Let me see. Don't smell bad. You can smell a little bit of the vinegar, but for the most part it smells pretty good. In any event, I just wanted to do a quick video, let y'all know on a Sunday night, Saturday night, wash day or whatever. Those of us with that 4C, which I call 4ZZ, ZZZ, and even 3A, B, C, whatever. A bentonite clay mask will do you good. Just my suggestion to add some moisturization items so as to get your hair started right. And you don't want to necessarily put this on your hair. This is more for the scalp. You want a cleansed scalp. And so, not gonna hold y'all long. I don't believe in holding folk hostage. I just wanted to come on, do a quick video, show y'all how you can get with a quick bentonite clay wash for that scalp reset. You know, it's just as quick as shampoo, honestly. And this is really ready to go. It's really no lumps in it because I already had that water mix warmed up. And so that's it, everybody. If she'll let me, I will record me putting it in her hair depending on how she goes in the shower. And I will at least try to get a picture of the before and after. So I just wanted to show y'all that. Hope you have a blessed week. And keep that natural hair clean and strong. Y'all take it easy. See you later.